So let's move to the first model, which is, so let's add the relationships inside category models. So let's add here public function posts. So each category will have one or many categories. So let's return this has many category, and this is the first relationship. So let's move to the next one, which is, so here we don't have any other one, we have only one relationship, but we need to change the route key name. So Laravel by default gets the records using the ID, but here we will change it to Slack. So we will get categories using Slack. So that's why we have defined Slack as unique. So next, let's move to the command, and here we have also each command belongs to user. So let's change this one to belongs to, and this one to user. And let's format the date of created at, so we can change the created at. So let's change it to attribute, created at attribute, and here we have the dates, and we can use the carbon class. You can import it, so here it's carbon. So we can use the method which is parse, and we give it the value, and we return diff for humans, which is readable or human readable. So human readable dates. So let's save, and that's all. So let's move to the next one, which is the post, and let's add first relationship, which is the category. So this for each post will belong to a category, and let's change this one to category. And we need also comments. So let's use the category here. Let's bring this one and use it here. So here we need comments, and each post will have one or many comments. And also we need tags, and here let's change this one to tags. And as we have seen, we have defined pivot table, so let's use the relationship which is belongs to many, and let's change this one to the tag model. And we need also to change the route key name from the ID to the Slack. So here we will use Slack instead of the ID to get post. So we have the relationship with category, commands, tags, and we changed the route key name. So let's move to the next one, which is the tag. And tag, as I said, is the same as here. We can use the same relationship. Where is the tag? So here is the tag model. So let's paste the posts or the relationship and change it to posts, and the model to post, and save. And that's all for our model relationships. Let's go back to the database header, and we can now use something else. So just comment this line, and let's use for each. So now we need to seed this table. So let's go If we go to our database, so here we have all the tables. So we have 10 categories, 20 posts, and 20 tags. So now we need to fill or populate this table, which is the post tag pivot table. So we need to add tag ID and post ID, and we can use that. We can get all the posts and loop through each post. So let's import the post from the app models post. Now we have each post, so let's use it here. And we can get all tags also using the model which is tag. And here we can use take to take many tags, and we can give it a random the random function to get random tag between 1 and so how many we have 20 tags to get between 1 and 20 tags. And once we have this tags, we can use their ID, so we can use the pluck method and get the ID. Now we have the IDs, and we can attach now, or we can use sync to remove the previous, or we can use first the relationship which is tags, and then called sync and give it tags. So let's try and see if it will work or not. So let's do that now. So let's run again PHP Artisan DB seed. And now it's done. Let's move to the table, which is post tags. And as you can see, we have 25 results or records. And here we have tag ID and post ID. So I think we have one, same one, and here the second one. And I think we have all the posts. This is just first page. We have many posts with many tags. So we will just, so here I think I have a lot of, let's change it just to, so we have a lot of, I think we have a lot of tags. So we have 8 pages. So let's change it only to, so let's take only for, just for tags, and use them again and check if we will get same or just small or just less records. So let's check again and see. So here, as you can see, so how many pages we have? So we have only 3. So I think it's better. So now we have post ID 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think it's better than the previous one. So the previous one, we had more than 100 or more than 6, or we had 8 pages. So now we have only 3 with posts and tags. So let's check our database now and see what we have here. We have 10 categories, and we have 20 posts, and we have 55 post tags, and we have 20 tags. So now we are done with the database seeding. Next, we need to move to the controllers, because we haven't add the controllers yet. So we need to add controllers and add functions before we move to the routes. So let's do that now.